Welcome guys to MsPuff Creative Corner. This is Claudette. Today we're going to be doing an ombre technique and we're going to be using fall colors, and I'm going to be using this large image which is a fall leaf. The three colors that I'll be using is a yellow, which is by Stampin' Up in our bumblebee, and it's a green, which is our soft succulent, as well as a brown, which is in our cinnamon cider. So I have a white piece of cardstock here, and I am going to go ahead and start with my lighter color, which is the yellow. I'm going to be using our sponge daubers. So we're going to go ahead and go from light to dark just to prevent any contamination in the lighter colors. So I am just putting the dauber inside of the ink, and I am starting to the top of my leaf. Next, we're going to go with the green, and we're going to work that in the middle. So I just put it on top of this white paper so you can see a little better how that color is coming out. And then I'm going to overlap the other color just a little bit. And then our last color is the brown. Then what we're going to go ahead and do is go ahead and stamp our image down. And there we have our ombre image. For more tips like this, please consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you could know when I upload my latest videos. Thank you guys for joining me today, and I'll catch you guys on my next video.